Hello guys, today I want to quickly demonstrate you a package called Laravel Translation Checker. And the story is that I tweeted about our new course about multi-language Laravel, and the author of this package, Lars Wiggers, tweeted that this package may be also useful. So I decided to follow up with this video and show Translations Checker, demonstrate you what it checks and what it doesn't check. The installation is very easy. You just do composer require and then run this command, translations check. And it will check your lang folders or resources lang folder if you configure that, or JSON files if you use those, and look for missing translations that exist in other languages, in the main language. So I've tried it out, and let's see with PHP files what it does. So for example, you have lang en, and I've created lang lt for my Lithuanian language, but I didn't copy the auth file, which means that auth is missing from lt. And as I understand, this package used the main language in config app. You can find it if you scroll down here. En is the main language, so the package checks the en language and then what is missing in other languages. So now if I run translations check, what would it show? It would show that the whole file lt auth is missing, and also would list the keys from that file. But now let's try to actually create that file. So auth from English, file save as, lang lt, and let's for example remove one of the keys, so for example failed, and now if we rerun that command again, it would show only that key is missing. So this is how it works for PHP translations if you use PHP translations. Now, if you use JSON files for translations like this, in Laravel Breeze example, I've just customized it to be not dashboard but my dashboard, and instead of you're logged in, you are logged in without shortening. And imagine the scenario that you have en JSON with those translations, but LT-JSON has only one of those translations. So now if we rerun translations check, it would show missing translation with LT my dashboard. And if we remove that at all, for example, have like this, and then rerun again, it would show you actually both. That is interesting. So it detects that LT has you're logged in, but it's missing in English language. So maybe my assumption was wrong. The package doesn't just take the main language as source of truth, but also checks all the other languages, and maybe the main language is also missing that translation key. So that is even more useful. So this package is just for quick check, and what I find missing, and I haven't found the solution, maybe write in the comments, I haven't found a package which would check if some blade key is missing at all. So for example, if you have in your dashboard blade, for example, your dashboard, which is not in translations at all, but it is in blade. So is there any package, maybe shoot in the comments, that would check the blade files for underscores or for trans functions and would detect, show, or somehow log what is missing for translations at all. Because if we run translations check, it would not flag that as missing. Or maybe Lars, the package creator, if you see that video, if you watch that video, shoot in the comments below, maybe it was in your plans to check the blade as well. So yeah, short package demonstration. Thank you, Lars, for creating this package. The link will be in the description below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.